Bonjour! Today we're going to talk about those little French phrases for talking about time. Why do you need to use time words? So, before I show you some examples, there's lots of different reasons why you should be using these. One of them is to sound more natural when you're speaking, because native speakers will use time phrases like since, for, ago, and it will help us as well when we're speaking to make sure we're using the correct time frame. So let's have a look at some examples. So today we're looking at depuis, pendant, and il y a. So what's the difference between them and when should you use them? So depuis is for something that's happening in the past, but it's still happening now. So it has to be true now. So j'habite ici depuis 5 ans. I've been living here for 5 years. So I've lived here in the past, but I'm still living here now. Pendant. Pendant is for something that happened in the past, but it's finished. It's no longer happening. So, j'ai résidé ici pendant 5 ans. So I've just used a different word for lived here. You might be more au fait with the verb habiter. So to reside, I think we use that sometimes in English, don't we? So I lived here for 5 years. So pendant means for, but for a finished action. Il y a is a funny one because we tend to learn it first as the phrase that means there is or there are. Il y a une table. There is a table. But here, in front of any sort of time phrase, so it could be a number, it could be a month, a week, a year, it becomes something completely different. It means ago. And again, it's for a finished action. So, j'ai déménagé ici il y a 5 ans. I moved here 5 years ago. And there'll be a little bit of a word order difference as well between English and French because we say 5 years ago, and in French you'll say ago 5 years. So il y a 5 ans. So just to recap, depuis means it's something that's still true now. Pendant means something that's happened in the past and is finished now. And il y a means ago when it's used with some kind of unit of time. So just have a go. Can you translate? I've been wearing espadrilles for 3 summers. Now, you may have seen my Facebook posts, and you will be able to look at a blog also on my website about espadrilles. Espadrilles are a type of summer shoe, and I've been wearing them for 3 summers, but I've been wearing them for a lot longer actually. But it's something I still do now. So, what would be the word that you would use for that? Put it in the comments below. And if you'd like to subscribe to more French tips, follow me, and you can visit my website, missw.com. You will find my blog on there with lots of different tips on language, particularly my examiner tips, as I'm an examiner for several different exam boards, but also some cultural articles and some funny, or maybe not so funny, depending on your opinion, joke and memes. So hope to see you soon. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.